Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a really fun video because you guys cannot believe what brand I'm actually collaborating with. So I am very excited. You guys have no idea. Here it is. Here's the package. So if you want to see what brand I'm collaborating with, please keep watching. This is the first time you ever see me and you're so interested in my content, I make you laugh. Don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bell to get more updates on when and where and why I put up a new video. And also follow me on social media. Here are my links. And I know the beginning of the video, so don't forget to like. Don't forget to like. I know the beginning of the video, but you know what? Just in case you forget. Because you know. So anyway, so today is a collaboration video. I'm very excited because you know I never thought I'll be actually like working with this brand. Very exciting, and I'm like, you guys, oh my god, you guys are gonna cry. Anyway, so yeah, so let's open up this box. They sent me this awesome box right here from USPS. So let's take out the bags right here. This thing, oh my god, you guys have no idea. I love these gummies. I'm hungry. I was sorry. Alright, so they sent me a little card. Oh, how cute. So it says here, thank you for your order. It made my day. I hope this game makes you yours. I can't wait to see what you create, so please tag FixyMakeup. When you're ready for your more pants, binders, or a large palette, use the code I need more for 10% off your first refill order. How cute is that? Wait, can you guys see it? By the way, guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I got this on my Fabfitfun and it's so comfortable. It's so nice and warm. There's also another card right here. Okay, let's see what this one says. It says, thank you, Brenda. I am so excited for you to try Fixy. I can't wait to hear what you think. Sending love, Jill. Oh, how adorable. How cute. Okay, sweet. Alright, let's open up the product. So here it is, Fixy. It's so cool because it tells you how to use this product. You guys can see right there. And then if you break your items, the repair or create. So we're actually gonna create. I'm very excited because I wanna create something. I know you just hear me. I wanna create some pastel colors. So we're gonna do pastel colors. So let's open up the product. I'm excited. Okay, so here we have the spray, the repair kit, and then here we have the palette. So here we're gonna be putting the colors right here. Pretty cool. So it tells you like the logo and then how to actually use the product, and then the booklet, like the instructions and stuff. Okay, so here we have the little palette. It's magnetic, so we're gonna be putting them right here. Pretty awesome. And then here's actually the product, like what we're gonna be using, and I'm very excited. So it comes with 3 tires right here. We have what we're gonna be doing over here. You guys can see right there. And then we have, oh, okay. So here we also have the pants. How do I take this off? Okay, oh. And then here we have the little pants and what goes inside. Okay, so now that we have the product, so I have a powder right here. I want to make some really nice color, and then I have this like pink and red color right here that I'm gonna mix. This palette right here, this palette is from FixyMakeup, so we're gonna be using some colors from here too. We're gonna scrape them over here, but that's gonna be really fun to do. Ready? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this right here, all the powder that I have here on this right here. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put the red stuff right here, and then we're gonna put it here. Oh my god, I feel like I'm cooking. There you go. I don't think that's a lot. I don't think that's a lot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this palette and then we're gonna use the red color. Alright, and then I have the white powder and now I'm gonna put it right here. So now I'm gonna get this little presser and then I'm gonna scrap it like that. Now we get this. We get that. Now everything like that is blended. Now I need to put this aside and then we have this. Now here's the other part right here. And I don't know if I should do this as a, I think like a blush or what. I'm gonna use the big one right here. So we're gonna put the big one right here. Like that. There you go. Ah, it said to put some paper towel first. Okay, so now that we have it here, now I'm gonna remove the top part. And then I'm gonna use the little brush. And then we're gonna press it right here. Gonna move everything. You guys can see right here, here's everything. And then we're gonna use this other product that came with, so we can level it up. See if anything, little lumps are in here. Alright, and there you go. So now we're gonna use the Fixy spray. And we're gonna spray it. And then now we're gonna use the big one and then we're gonna press it. Now we gotta wait for it to be even because it has to be even. And voila, look at that. That looks like blush. Like that, it looks so nice. Let me see. That looks like blush. So there's a little bit loose items right here, but they say that's okay. That's actually gonna happen. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put it in the Fixy palette that we have here, that is sent, and then we're gonna put it right here. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so but we're not gonna end there. We're actually gonna make more. We're gonna make more colors. Okay, so we're gonna put this one aside. I made a mess. And then we're gonna put this one back over here. Here, and then we're gonna put, I don't know, let's do some, let's do some shimmers. Purple. Purple looks nice. Actually, I'm gonna mix them. We have this one right here and this one. Maybe this two right here. And I'm gonna use this shimmer right here. This one right here. Now we're gonna use the mixer and then we're gonna mix it. And I believe I'm gonna make that as a eyeshadow. I'm gonna mix it around. Okay, so it looks really dark, so we need to light it up. That actually looks cool. Look at that color. I said to myself, I'm gonna make some pastel colors. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but it looks interesting. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna get this thing right here. So I said I'm gonna make like an eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one right here. There you go. Okay. Now I put a freaking, no, actually I should use the big one. Yeah, I'm gonna use another big one. Oh, and then we're gonna put this right here. Everything. Now I'm gonna use the big presser and I'm gonna put it right here. And then we're gonna push. Oh my god, that looks pretty. Look at that. That could work as a highlighter. Look at that, that is pretty. That looks really nice. We're gonna put it back on the palette. Now let's do some other colors because I want to actually like do the whole palette thingy. So here you have it. Now I need some small pants. So now I have my Profusion Neon palette. We're gonna use some other colors right here. I wanna use some purple. I don't really want to totally like destroy this palette because it's so pretty. I'm just gonna do it like that. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to like actually like keep the whole thing. Oh, look at that. That's pretty color. You got it mixed up with the other one, but it's okay. Okay. So now we're gonna get this little thing. We're gonna use that small pan. Put it right there. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Everything's poured. Then we're gonna do a spray. That'll be a lot. Okay. And then I'm gonna press that shade. And we have this color. It kinda looks like the other one. So now we're gonna put this one right here. Look at that. That is so pretty. Those are pretty colors. This one, I don't know. I wasn't like, but this one kinda looks really nice. So there you have it. So I created these colors using the Fixy mixer. Now, should have used more colors, but I'm so afraid to freaking destroy all my palettes because you know, guys know I love my palettes and destroying them is gonna hurt my heart. So here's something that I just did. I think I will say that will be like a blush, and then we have here right here, I don't know how I will use it. I will say like an eyeshadow, and then here we have another eyeshadow. But pretty much this one, I'm gonna use it as a blush. I don't really use blush, but the color is peachy, so it looks really nice. Now, I don't think I really used it really well because there's some loose powder right here. So maybe I didn't press it too much. You know what? It's my first time using this product and I was really nervous to use it. But it's so fun to actually like, you can have like an actual party and make some colors or fix your friend's palettes. But other than that, it's actually such fun to do this. Like I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this one, I'm gonna do that one, but then I will say buy some palettes, you know, like eyeshadow palettes that you don't have to destroy because I destroyed a whole palette, and almost I destroyed my neon palette from Profusion, and I'm like, no, I can't do it. So here you go. Those are the colors. They're pretty colors. So I just want to say, Fixby, thank you so much for choosing me and for this collaboration. It was so fun. It was really fun. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on social media. If you want to check out Fixby, I will leave the link down below so you guys can check them out. Maybe you can order some product from them. You got some 10% off just in case you want to get some. And it's, I mean, it's so fun to actually fix your makeup, because a lot of people like just they break them and they throw them away, and then there's no like fixing or anything. So this is actually like a lifesaver. Like seriously, it's a lifesaver. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.